Hello bachcho, let's see this question. How is a voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? First of all, we need to have an important discussion over here before starting this question, that is about simple devices. Okay, that is about simple devices. Now which are the two devices that we learn? The basic devices that we learn. Okay, so first is our ammeter and another is our voltmeter, right? First is our ammeter and second is our voltmeter. So we'll discuss some points about it. Ammeter measures current, okay, and voltmeter measures voltage. The symbol for ammeter in a circuit representation is like this, and the symbol for voltmeter is like this. That's a V and a circle. Now it is ammeter always connected in series, and in the circuit, and it is always connected in parallel. Okay, so these are some basic points about simple devices that must be learned, okay, so that we don't have any problem while solving any kind of question. Now I'll divide some area and come back to this particular question. Okay, now I will draw one basic circuit to explain this question, like to show how it is connected. So imagine this to be our resistor. This is our battery of V volts. This is our resistor of R resistance. So whenever we connect a voltmeter, it is always connected like this in parallel. Okay. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Okay. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Now, what happens if we connect it in series? Why can't we connect it in series? I'll explain that now. Why we cannot connect it in series? So what happens is, imagine this to be resistance R1 and we have connected a voltmeter over here. And then there's resistance R2 and there's R3. Okay. And imagine it connected to be a battery source. Okay. Of V voltage. This is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. Now what happens is, imagine we want to measure V voltage. We want to measure what's the value of voltage in the circuit. But what happens is, when current travels through R1, there is some voltage drop over here. Okay. And so it won't measure the V voltage of the battery given by the battery, but it will rather measure the voltage remaining after some drop by R1. So it will measure V dash. So the problem is, it won't give accurate values. Accurate values of voltage, rather give wrong values. Why will it give wrong values? Because it won't measure the voltage dropped by this resistor, right? It will measure the voltage remaining over here, but some voltage will be dropped by this particular R1 and it won't measure it, right? So we cannot use voltmeter in series. So our final answer will be voltmeter is connected in parallel. To measure potential difference. So this is our final answer to the question. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.